Hello and welcome back to this IELTS Academic Writing Task 2 lesson where we'll dive deep into the strategies and techniques for tackling discussion essay questions. This task can be challenging, but with the right approach, you can excel in presenting a well-structured and coherent argument. Let's go! First, let's understand what discussion essays are all about. In this task, you're required to present both sides of an argument or issue, express your opinion, and justify your stance. The key is to offer a balanced and critical analysis of the topic. Alright, to make things easier, let's look at an example question. Some people believe that technology has made our lives more convenient, while others argue that it has caused more harm than good. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Keeping this in mind, let's break it down and learn how to go about this question type. The first step is to analyze the question. We need to identify the main issue, the two opposing views, and any specific instructions. This analysis is crucial as it will guide our response. Here, the main issue is the impact of technology on our lives. Now, on to the two opposing views. We can see that there are two contrasting views or opinions presented in this question. Some people believe that technology has made our lives more convenient. Now, this viewpoint emphasizes the convenience and benefits of technology. Whereas the second part of this, while others argue that it has caused more harm than good, this opposing viewpoint suggests that technology has negative consequences. Before we go into planning, we need to know one more thing, and that is what we have to do. For this question, we need to discuss both views and give our opinion. This means that we should not only try to present both sides of the argument, but also express our own opinion on the matter. After the analysis, we will go on to planning our essay, so let's discuss how to plan it effectively. You typically have 40 minutes to complete this task, so allocating time wisely is essential. If you spend around 3 to 5 minutes or a maximum of 7 minutes on planning, that will work wonders. Use this time to jot down key points, arguments, and a rough essay structure. This initial planning will help maintain a clear and organized essay and in turn eventually add to your coherence and cohesion score. Right, here I mentioned structure, so let's plan that out too. Remember, your essay should have a clear structure that includes an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. For this question type, you can have anything around 4 to 5 paragraphs. Alright, so the introduction can be approximately 2 to 3 sentences. Start with a hook or a general statement about technology's role in modern life. Then, provide a clear thesis statement that presents your opinion or stance on the issue and mentions that you will discuss both views. Moving on to the body paragraphs. In general, the first body paragraph can give the positives or the benefits or the advantages of the statement. Let's look at what we can add for this question specifically. You can begin with a topic sentence that introduces the first viewpoint, that is, technology has made our lives more convenient. Present arguments and evidence supporting this view. Also include real-world examples or statistics if possible. And don't forget to use linking words to ensure a smooth transition between points. For the second body paragraph, you can add in details about the negative aspects of the topic. In line with our sample question, we should talk about the negative aspects of technology. Again, start with a topic sentence that introduces the opposing viewpoint, that is, technology has caused more harm than good. You'll need to present arguments and evidence that supports this view and again, include real-world examples if possible. Also, don't forget to use linking words as it is essential, especially for coherence and clarity. Now you can choose to have another body paragraph to present your opinion, or you can include your opinion in the concluding paragraph. If you're going to have a separate paragraph for your opinion, here's what you can do. You'll be presenting your opinion on the issue based on the arguments presented in the previous paragraphs. Make sure you clearly state whether you believe in the statement or not. Now, with regards to our sample question, you should state whether you think technology has made our lives more convenient, has caused more harm, or if you hold a nuanced view. You will also need to briefly mention the key reasons for your opinion. And finally, you're going to bring everything together by writing your conclusion paragraph. Here, you'll be summarizing the main arguments presented in the body paragraphs and highlighting the key points for both views. If you wrote a body paragraph about your opinion, then in your conclusion, you will reiterate your opinion, emphasizing why you believe it's the most valid viewpoint, and if not, then you will briefly state your opinion with a reason. And there you go! How to go about answering discussion essay questions. Before we end the lesson, here are a couple of key tips to keep in mind. First of all, ensure each paragraph has a clear topic sentence. Make sure to use evidence, examples, and statistics to support your arguments. Also, maintain a balanced approach throughout the essay, even if you have a strong personal opinion. Make sure to use linking words and cohesive devices for smooth transitions. Towards the end of your essay, when you're done, proofread it for grammar and spelling errors. Remember that in this type of essay, presenting both sides of the argument is crucial, especially because it adds to your task response score. You should also express your own opinion clearly and justify it based on the evidence provided. With consistent practice, you'll sharpen your essay writing skills and be well prepared to tackle any discussion essay question that comes your way. Keep practicing and I'll see you for the next lesson where we'll look at how to answer problem and solution essay type questions. See you!